To create an event in Google Calendar, you're going to click Create on the left-hand side of the screen. Enter in your event title. You can choose a different time, different day. You can invite guests so that other people can see it on their calendar. You can add a location. And go from there. If you need a little more advanced settings for your calendar event, you can click on More Options. And at this point, you can choose whether you want your event to repeat. You can repeat it daily, weekly, monthly. You can customize it. You can add a description to your event as well. And then at this point, you can hit Save, and your event will show up, and it will send invites to everyone that you invited for your event. Another way to add events to your calendar is just to click on the day of the event, and you can add it quickly from there.